Hi.
Hello.
Okay, with me is someone really phenomenal, Mrs. Ruth Matthew Okoh, and we just finished an event that really went well. So it's worth saying something about, and it's an Entrepreneurship Empowerment Workshop for secondary school students. Yes, secondary school students. And we just concluded the sessions. And I might just say something. What do you think about all that went down?
It was amazing. It was impactful, full of information.
Oh my God!
Turned their hearts around when they put it into practice.
Oh my God! And I attest to the fact that what she's saying is so true. So Mrs. Ruth Matthew is the director at Gowien Consult. Maybe you can just tell us a little bit of what Gowien Consult is about.
Gowien Consult, we are into developing teenagers to be productive, to live a productive life. Because we've seen that so many teenagers really don't know what to do, how to go about their life, and then we come in and then train them on how to be productive.
Wow. And I saw that there were areas such as entrepreneurship. Maybe you can just list some of those areas.
We're into entrepreneurial training, basically. That's
okay.
To entrepreneurial training, so that at the end of the day, the potentials of these young people will be maximized.
Oh my God! Thank you so much for sharing, ma. And okay, I'm going to do something. I'm going to ensure that how to contact Gowien Consult would be okay. You can see it on the screen right now. Yes, you can do, or you can reach out if you are a principal, a proprietor, and you need your school, you need your teenagers in your school to undergo some form of entrepreneurship training. And I believe that Gowien Consult is a place to contact. Yes, so just though you can reach out, and then you can have other conversations that would lead to something very productive. This is unscripted. We didn't plan this, but we are happy that the workshop was a success. So for now, we're just going to be, we're going to be ending it all. So it's a bye.
Business money is different from personal money. That's in which the money you get in business is different from the money in which you get personally. And another thing is that personal money, it depends on it depends on those kind of needs you use it for, and business money depends on those things in which you think of to your
Go on. Please clap for him. So what did you give us a feedback?
I learned that we are all unique and we should not allow anyone to think of us.
Please clap for him.